Alright, here is a cold start video. Turn the CRC power on. Let's see. It's completely cold, haven't started all night. And I'm gonna keep my foot off the accelerator. It does usually give a little puff of smoke on startup, when it's cold at least. But no continued smoke or anything like that. So I'll give it a couple of pulls here, get it nice and warm. I haven't driven hard in a couple of weeks, so I'll probably need to clean it out a little bit. And then I'll pull back in, kill it, and give it another hard start. I'll send you that video.